Hi, I hope you're well. I've been trying new things, working on bases. Done a few bases and making them out of just plastic straws and heating them up over one of these lights and some glue gives you an idea of how to make some interesting bits for your terrain. Just an idea. And it's not a new idea. I just looked at a video and thought, that's a good idea. I'm running out of ideas. I don't know what to make. But anyway, that's it. So hopefully you'll be okay. You won't burn yourself. So if you're 27, ask your dad, can you have some help? Because you might injure yourself. Because I almost burnt myself. So anyway, enjoy the video and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.